What's up, y'all? We are back for a long time, and we're here again to open the box. It's this Tier 4 Wave 5. I, I've opened once a Tier 4 Wave 5, but it got deleted, and I was not able to upload that unboxing. But here we are again for a redemption box. Anyways, that box was not that good. I got the highest I got is an OR of Jiraiya, I guess. So hopefully, in this box, we get something good. The SEs, the BP, MRs, the SP Itachi, yeah, the numbered SEs. What else? I want that UR Shikamaru, the adult Shikamaru. So yeah. By the way, I'm in a different house right now because our house is under construction. It's under renovation. So I'm kind of outside. It's kind of. Let's get it. Tier 4, Wave 5. Seal box. We'll just cut it open. Hey. Go. Eighteen packs. Put it there. Last time I've opened these, there's like a rip on all packs on this part. But right now, I think it's good. Oh no. Like this one. Anybody else got that? So yep, that's 18 packs. It's been a while. It's been a really long while since we've opened a box. So I'm excited. And this is tier 4. Tier 4s are always fun to rip. Let's first pack magic. Let's go. Rip it. Pardon the noise, by the way. Kind of outside. There we go. The dog again. So Arakli, Kakashi, SR1010, 4R, HR, Kakuzu. For our first hit, an SSR, Chocho SSR. We'll sleeve the SSRs later. For now, let's just keep ripping. We'll sleeves the hits right away. Just open it from the side. Neji, SR Naruto, HR Ino, Stagers, and SSR again of Conan. Just put it there. Baby Gara, this dude, it's this Rin, HR Hidan, And SP. SP. Oh damn, I hope it's Kakashi. Edo era Kakashi. I mean Itachi. Edo Itachi. Edo Itachi. SP. Not my guy. SP Itachi. Come on, SP Itachi. It's my guy. It's my guy. I'll take it. It's an SP. It's just I wanted the Itachi. It's all good. Is Maito guy. Is good. Next pack. Next pack. Dang you. Got guy again. Hiba. SR Naruto. And an SSR of Deidara. HR. Nice HR. This is Minato and Naruto. The sixth path. Let's go. Mitsuki. This dude. Choji. HRS Kiba. And you are Uncle Sensei with the snakes. With them snakes. Hope we can get more hits. More hits, please. By the way, there's 3 winners of our free cards from the last video. I'll announce it later. That gets free ZRs, my dupes. Our Sakura, my Togai Kid, I think it's Sasori's dad, and an AR. Let's go. For the HR, Conan HR. I hope this AR is something we don't have yet. Jiraiya AR. We got this. That's cool. Do we? I don't know. I'll check. Not sure, but I think I do have that one. Jiraiya AR. Next pack. Next pack. Hinata, that's a little bit, I don't know. And Grand Chio. Oops. Here we are again with the mess. Messy. Let's get the messy. Did we get something? OR. Nice. OR Madara. I don't have this one yet. That is really nice. A really nice looking OR. Let's go. Put that here. The wind is blowing. Stand still, my little guy. Stand still. Let's go. Keep this going. Kankuro, Choji, Ino, and Minato. Another AR, I guess. Yep, it's Shino. This one I don't have, so we'll add that up. to our AR collection. I'll have an updated video for that, for my ARs. I'll show you all the ARs I've got up to date. And still, the wind is going. It's blowing still. Just a little bit. Come on. It's a few more packs left. Next pack. Let's go. Temari. That girl. Gara. Yamato. An OR, I guess it's Kakashi again. This is the third time I'm pulling this one. I ain't complaining. It's all good. It's Kakashi. 1,000 years of death. Jutsu. We're pulling great hits. Hope we can get more. Don't stop right now. Tier 4, wave 5. Don't stop right now. Naruto. Froggy Frog. Sakura. I don't know who this is yet. I'm still on the episode where Gara has been abducted. See? I'm so early in the season 2. SSR Gara, speaking of Gara. Yeah. He is now Kazekage of the Zan village. And he was abducted by the Akatsukis, specifically Sasori and Deidara, Naruto and the others. Spoiler alert. Naruto, Team 7 minus Sasuke and my guys team are in pursuit to rescue the Kazekage Gara. That's where I'm at. Sai, Big Froggy Frog, Kiba, another guy, I don't know, but I pulled this one, and an SSR. Naruto with the Rasengan. Hope all the packs left still have hits. Don't give me more SSRs, please. Go. Konohamaru, Kid Kakashi, Gara, Deidara. This is the guy that abducted this guy. And you are Maito guy. And this is the guy that's gonna rescue the Kazekage, and I'm out of sleeves. Where's my sleeves? Where are my sleeves? Where are my sleeves? There we go. Just for a while. I'm gonna get some sleeves. Oops. He also used them nunchucks to battle Kisame. I'm spoiling some of my viewers right now, and I'm so sorry. That's where I am on Naruto. Season 1 of Shippuden. Yeah. Sakura, Maito guy again. Naruto, Kid Naruto, and SSR, another Conan, Sakura, Sasuke, SR Neji, Shikamaru, HR, and an SR Shikamaru again. Look at that. Shikamaruception. I'll take it. All Shikamarus, all Itachi, all Kakashis. I'll take it. I'll take it. Another HR of Mother, badass villain. Look. Ain't that good? HR. SSR. I'm getting SSRs. Come on. Is this all SSRs now? Still got 3 packs left. Come on, SEs. Numbered SEs. Show yourself. Yep. That kid. Choji kid. Sakura kid. Kakuzu. You are Shikamaru. Iruka sensei. About to teach young bloods. And the wind is blowing. Let's just put the cards in here so that I'm on a roof deck. That's why it's really windy. I'm just chilling up here with my coffee. And some bread. It's a lazy afternoon. And we're just ripping some packs. Next pack. Ino Kid, Naruto Kid, Sasuke, Toby. SLR, nice. SLR, Sasuke. Nice SLR. Decent hits. I hope this pack gives us something we can scream about. Last pack magic for tier 4 wave 5. Come on. Sasuke, Hinata, Sasuke, Jinchuriki, something. Or this the I don't know. The character were I forgot. SSR of Kaguzu. It's all good. It's all good. So yeah. That's about it for tier 4 wave 5. Let's just recap the hits in no particular order. SP Might Guy. I've seen this SP been pulled a lot of times. I think this is the easiest SP to pull in this wave. SP Might Guy, SLR Sasuke, Shino to add up to the collection. AR Shino, you are Anko, 1,000 Years of Dead. Kakashi Sensei OR, Nunchucks Might Guy, you are OR Madara. Sick looking. Yeah. Iruka and Pervy Sage, Master Jiraiya. Yeah, that's for today's unboxing of Tier 4 Wave 5. And once we hit 300 subscribers, we will be opening this one. It's a New Year box, premium box. This is the third premium box of Kayou Naruto. The first one is the Youth Scroll box. Second is the Heaven and Earth, and this is the third one. This is the New Year box. Yes, once we hit 300 subscribers, we'll open up that one. And yeah, I forgot. Before I forget, the winners of our ZRs, the duplicates ZRs. Where are them cards? Are GOV. I think that's GOV. Gamid Abduelail. Gamid Abduelail. And Monique Nicolette. So message me on my Instagram. That's Pixel Gaming. That's PXLD period gaming. I'll just write it down, and you can message me there on how you want to get your free cards. They are the ones who commented their favorite rarity. So I'm giving them my duplicate cards of ZRs. There. Follow me and message me. Pixel Gaming, PXLD .gaming on Instagram. And I'ma see y'all on the next one. Peace.